Okay, we are going to start off with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'll ask you a number of different questions, and remember you just have to answer the question. Examiner will check your reaction. Examiner will not check your knowledge. Examiner will not see, well, your answer is full of knowledge, information. They will only see your reaction. Sometimes if there is a question that you don't know the answer, you can still tell the examiner, I don't know about it. Well, because I've never thought about it and this type of situation never came across in my life. So I'm sorry, you cannot answer this question. Still you answered, right? But don't be confused that you don't know how to answer and you are like this and all that. Be confident, tell the examiner and they will change the question, okay? Now, let's make us start with you. Do you wear a watch?
Yes, of course, I wear a watch daily basis whenever I wake up. When I'm going outside to do some work or any kind of thing or activity, I usually wear my watch on daily basis.
Okay, this is a very good answer. All right, keep it up like this. And after 1-2 answers, you will be very confident. Okay. In your country, is it important to be on time?
Well, it depends. It usually depends on the person. But according to me, I think persons should be punctual on time and should reach, should not delay or waste someone else's time or his or her.
Okay, now one thing you are lacking, connectivity of ideas. Try to connect all these ideas and roll them into one answer. One full answer in 5-6 sentences, okay? Let's go on. Do you like to be on time?
Yes, I like to be on time. I usually when someone has given me time to meet up, I prefer to go before the time, at least 30 minutes before that, so that I don't know, I get I kind of get anxiety if I don't reach on time.
Okay.
So
all right, that's good. Overall, your English is good. You just have to be familiar with all these questions. And once you go through all these questions, you'll be very comfortable. You can answer anything. Now, for example, today I asked you questions about punctuality. If someone asks you again, you will answer very confidently. So like this is what I call familiarity with the questions. Try to be familiar with the questions, okay? Now, it's your turn. How do children celebrate birthdays in your country?
Well, in my country, children and adults both celebrate their birthday by cutting cakes and giving gifts each other, and some decorations made in the home, and a small get together.
Okay.
Of
Now,
family.
you know what you are doing actually, you are joining phrases. You have to join sentences together. Try to make proper sentences. For example, how do children celebrate birthdays? Well, in my country, children usually celebrate birthdays by arranging a wonderful party. In that party, they cut the cake with their friends and family members, and after that, they play music, and sometimes some children dance on the music. This is how most of the children prefer to spend their birthday. See, proper connectivity, starting off the answer. At the end, you are giving examiner a message that I have finished my answer. So try to speak like this, okay? Let's go on. How did you celebrate your last birthday?
My last birthday was celebrated by my younger sister, and she bought a cake, my favorite chocolate cake from my favorite bakery, and we had a small party in my hostel room, and some of my friends were there, and we had a great
We had a great time and all
with-
that. Have you noticed one thing? After every sentence, you are saying and.
Yes.
Then you speak a sentence, then you say and. So this is how you're just connecting all the things. You can say furthermore, additionally, moreover, right? So replace and with other things, otherwise you're just joining all the sentences.
Okay.
Overall, it's good. You need to focus your grammar a little and try to make proper sentences. Instead of communicating with words, communicate with proper sentences, okay? All right, thank you.